Ultimate Fishing Show 2020, January 9th through the 12th. Up here at Frank's Red Outdoors, that is what we are concentrating on right now. As you can see behind me, this was where all the magic happens. We're getting all of the ice fishing grids set up for you, all the rod, ice rod holders, all of the rod cases. See behind me here, we got the wheel. It's not really done yet, but there's a chance we have at the store right now picking up a ticket. You have a chance to spin the wheel. We'll have all the prizes. Stop by the Frank's booth. Stop by the Frank's booth. You can have a chance to win up to a $100 gift card on that wheel. Free buckets, 50 a day for 4 days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're getting the rods, the combos. Step out over here a little bit. Give you a little sneak preview. If you're a pike fisherman, if you're a tip-up fisherman, anything you need, any ice combo. If you haven't ever been to this show, Frank's has got 12,000 square feet at this show. Ice Village, freshwater tackle. During the summertime, we're going to have husky jerks, you name it. Huge ice displays. Don't miss out. We're going to have the deals of the year there this year. We will see you in Novi, January 9th through the 12th in Novi at the Ultimate Fishing Show. We'll see you there.